So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-reduce or bawasan ang motion effects sa ating Roblox app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Roblox app or yung ating Roblox account. And then after nyan guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage ng ating Roblox, itap lang natin yung more na nandito sa may lower part or yung 3 horizontal dots. Then after nyan dito sa more, i-scroll up lang naman natin siya. Then after nyan guys, tap natin yung settings. And then dito sa settings, hanapin nyo yung device preferences na nandito sa pinakang lower part. So tap lang natin. And then after nyan dito naman sa device preferences, hanapin nyo lang yung reduce motion, and kung makikita nyo may switch button sa right side niya. So ang gagawin nyo lang is itap nyo yung switch button hanggang sa maging kulay green siya, indication na naka-turn on na yung reduce motion. So makakatulong to para mabawasan or matigil yung pagkakaroon ng motion effects para hindi mag-lag yung ating app. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba i-reduce ang motion effects sa ating Roblox app. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.